Most problems that can be solved recursively can be also solved by using iterative method, and vice versa. Each approach has its pros and cons. Now I'm going to show how to implement the factorial function using iterative method. Def factorial iterative result equals 1 for e in range 1 n plus 1 result I turn result. So we have just used the for loop to calculate the factorial, and we can try to invoke this function. And yes, we can also see that this function returns 120. Okay, now let's discuss about pros and cons of recursive approach. So what about pros? Recursive function make the code look clean and elegant. A complex task can be broken down into simple subproblems using recursion. Sequence generation is easier with recursion than using some nested iteration. What about cons? Sometimes the logic behind recursion is hard to follow. Recursive calls are expensive as they take up a lot of memory and time. Recursive functions are hard to debug. What about the iterative approach? Well, iterative solutions are usually more efficient as they don't involve the overhead of function calls, and in most cases, iterative solutions are faster than recursive solutions. What about disadvantages? They may be as intuitive as recursive solutions. Complex problem can become difficult to solve using iteration.